Hi, this is Shubham Agarwal, and in this video we'll understand how to find the best list sellers on Udimi. Okay, so this is a brand new account and I'm currently logged into my brand new account. Then we'll click on find sellers. Okay, once we click on it, the page will load and this is the page that will appear. So normally we should stay away from all these promoted. They can be good, they can be bad, nothing, but they are promoted, they are not organic, so to speak. Now let's set the price. Okay, this is like $2 per click. Currently I normally don't go above 60 cents per click. Okay, this is like 60 cents per click. And if they have got sales, how many people who have purchased from these sellers who have actually reported a sale? So I normally set it to like 20%, which is a good benchmark to go ahead. And then niche, the niche that you are trying to target. For weight loss, you can choose health niche. Okay, for crypto and all that stuff, you can choose crypto. And for promoting any finance program on Clickbank, you can choose marketing and so on and so forth. So there are different things. Repeat orders, I don't really go through that. And like main traffic source, this is currently set to all countries. You can just choose top tier countries. So this way you get traffic from only premium countries. Okay, so like the second world, third world countries are normally removed, and you get traffic from US, UK, Canada, New Zealand, Australia. These are top tier countries. People have disposable income and they're able to pay. So this is a good method to just select top tier countries. Obviously, if you're selling some foreign product, you can also use a different language. Like this is currently set to all language. Say I'm selling a product that's in Spanish, that's in French, then I can select accordingly. Okay, currently I've set it to all languages. I'm not touching it. Okay, because some people know more than one language. That's just the way it is. So okay, when you set this, we have around 51 sellers. Okay, now when I look at this, even at this promoted one, you can see that this guy is offering 59 one click for just 59 cents, and over 85% of people who have purchased from this guy Thomas Freeman have actually reported a sale, which is really good. And this guy has got 2497 positive reviews and 16 negative reviews. So I would say this guy is pretty good deal. The only problem, like normally I would order from him, there's no problem, but these guys are like promoted. As you can see, this is a promoted. So if I want, I will stay away from them, and I can use just this lady. She's offering for 40 cents, and as you can see, her the people who have purchased from her, 84% of them have actually reported sales. So that's good, and she has got 1076 positive rating. So Miriam Feldman is pretty good according to me. If you are choosing which niche, I didn't select niches. Okay, let me just choose marketing for once. Okay, 50 sellers. So this guy is already there since he's promoted. She's also there, and she, as you can see, top rated, 100% top tier 1 countries. Okay, she has got a list of 80k, and with buyers from Make Money Online. MMO is like Make Money Online, business operations, CP offers, sales. So she will work if you are selling some Clickbank product that is in finance. Like I don't know, I have to go and check Clickbank because I normally don't do finance products on Clickbank, but I have sold them in the past because they can be expensive and they don't convert really well with free traffic. With paid traffic, the things get a really different. With paid traffic, you get better results, but obviously you have to pay. So there's that thing also. So once you have selected your buyer, you can pretty much order from that buyer. I will tell you how to order that. If you want to get a more detailed version of this video, you can probably just sign up to my list of my course, which I'll be releasing. Maybe it will take some time, obviously, because this course will be a lot of videos. It will have a lot of videos. Moving on, like if you also want to get some free, a little cheaper sellers, you can go for solo deals here. Okay, when I click on this guy is offering 27% off. Okay, just 40 cents a click, and this guy has got like 5719 orders, which is a lot. 55% got sales with my traffic, high opt-in rate. Okay, this guy is also promoting Make Money Online, business, crypto and all. So this guy is offering 80% off at 40 cents and 2735 orders. So a lot of people are there. So only, and you have to take sometimes a leap of faith if you guys want to make money online. But If you're starting out, I don't really recommend with paid traffic. I recommend free traffic, but the thing with free traffic is slow. It takes time to build, which is why in my course I'll be offering you a huge list of, I don't know, 15k, I haven't decided, but 15k email subscribers of like health niche, relationships, self-help, spirituality, and business, make money online. So 5,000 each, something like that. And then you can just load them up in some software. I will provide all the training whatsoever that you need. Once you make money from that, you can obviously go ahead with Udemy and all that, because these all platforms require money up front, as you can see. Or if you have some spare money to invest, you can obviously choose this and scale fast. That's just my 2 cents. Again, I hope I will see you in the next video. If you want a more in-depth video on how to understand Udemy, it will probably be included in my course. Okay, so in the next video I will tell you more about how to promote Clickbank offers, how you can promote Clickbank offers using robots. I have a working theory of it. I might just share it, I don't know, maybe in my course. Thank you once again. Please like, subscribe and comment on this channel. Thank you.